Do you want to know how to attach a clickable link into your TikTok bio account? Stay tuned, I have a couple of options to show you. Hi, my name is Agnes Glogowska and I am here to help you start your first online business and to make money and drive organic traffic. As you know, TikTok is a great platform to drive organic traffic to your affiliate links. And for that reason, we need those links to be visible on our TikTok account in our TikTok bio field. So for that reason, if you don't know how to put your clickable link into your bio account on TikTok, stay tuned and watch those two options that I have prepared for you. I will show you how actually to add a clickable link into your bio here just under your profile name. So first thing is to go ahead and click the three dots that are in the right top corner, and you have then manage your account, and you press manage your account, and second from the bottom you have switch to pro account. Press switch to pro account and press option if you are 1000 followers on TikTok. The best thing is actually to create a creator account, because your post will be still visible. Most of your posts will be still well visible on TikTok. So you press a creator account and choose any category you prefer, let's say education, and then press next. You can select here prefer not to say and then done. That's it. If you go ahead and choose business, I would say it's better to choose business account if you have at least 200,000 followers or somewhere around that number, because in my opinion visibility of your post is highly limited, because TikTok comes to the stage where wants the business owners to get their post promoted. So I would say the business posts get less visibility than a creator's posts. Why? With creator account you can still easily reach wider audience in organic way. So when you switch to one of those accounts, creator or business account, then you actually go into edit your profile, and underneath here, let's say underneath your bio, there will be another line where will show website, and you will be able to paste your website name over there. And after that, successfully, your link will be visible. I will show you on a different account. Like over here, you see this is a creator account, and we have here clickable link. It's always redirecting you to the website. You can click on the link and get into the website that is in the link. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and get ready for more videos like this. They are videos being added nearly every day. I hope that info was very useful for you, and you will be able from now on to put a link in the bio of your TikTok account. So go ahead and try those tricks. See you in the next video. Bye!